Hi, my name is Randy Watts, and I'm going to introduce you to our Level 3 duty holster. It's a Level 3 duty holster because it takes three separate movements to withdraw the gun from the holster. So we designed this, we didn't want to waste any of the movements that you're already making. So as you're coming to get that butt-to-butt grip on your gun, your thumb releases that first level of retention, which drops the hood. As you're pulling the gun from the holster, your thumb activates the swipe lever, which pulls the ejection port lock up and allows you to withdraw the weapon from the holster itself, which is the last level of retention. So it's a very fast, very intuitive push, swipe, pull. One of the biggest concerns in the professional community is the trigger gap surrounding the trigger guard on your weapon. So what we're able to do is pull that in really tight, so it would be very difficult to put your finger in between the holster and the trigger guard. Another feature that we incorporated into this version of the holster is a removable hood. We know that not everyone wants to run a hood, so if you want to, you can remove a couple of the screws and throw the hood away. The hood's large enough, we extended the back end of it. It's large enough to accommodate up to an Acro P2 or some of the largest optics on the market. Because we know there's a ton of duty lights out there, we want to accommodate as many as we can. So the Level 3 large light duty holster will accommodate up to X300s, TLR1s, some of the biggest lights on the market. You can also run your smaller lights such as TLR7A, your compact light series, in the same holster. Because we know that not everyone has the same hand size or draw stroke, we've included 3 different button sizes and swipe sizes in this holster so that you can customize it to fit your hand and your draw stroke specifically. Because Axon is becoming more and more common in police agencies in the professional market, we wanted to design a holster that implemented their signal sidearm device directly into the holster. So what we did is we cut a hole right over the slide, which is the most dense part of the weapon, ensuring that when you withdraw that weapon, it is able to send that signal to your camera and turn your device on. Now, because we don't want that hole to just be exposed out in the world, we've also developed a cover. And this cover clicks right over your signal sidearm and bolts down. You do still have access to the programming capabilities of your signal sidearm by taking your handcuff key and pressing down the program button. Like all of our Rapid Force holsters in our professional line, they are built to be QD compatible, meaning that this triangular metal end of the QD can slide into any of our carry types, allowing you to use it in multiple configurations.